Ocean Census is focused on accelerating the discovery of species. To do that, we've drawn together a network of the scientists that specialise in describing new species. They're called taxonomists.
Two organisms, and where one is in top of another one. There is no septa, but and you can see very well the sclerites. It's very exciting because we haven't seen before any incrusting of the corals.
We have never seen one species like that growing over a crinoid. Crinoids are really old species, so it's quite interesting, and hopefully it's new, or it seems to be new.
We found an association between some kind of coral and a crinoid, a stalk crinoid. So that's interesting, and that's what all this buzz is about. It's exciting when you see something that's never been seen before. It's very exciting.
One of the things that we're looking at doing is finding new species, but also demonstrating the value of that biodiversity to humankind.
All the samples that we collect give us the possibility to answer a lot of questions, a lot of scientific questions, to better understand and to predict what might happen in the future.
We've seen very, very few corals since we've been here in the Arctic. On the dive today, we saw lots of these crinoids growing, and what we found on this crinoid is a coral living on the crinoid stalk. It's almost certainly a new species. This really demonstrates sort of co-evolution in the deep sea, but also it shows how effective the remotely operated vehicle is. We get the specimens in such good condition that those sorts of relationships are actually preserved. Every new species we find has a particular function in the ocean. When we lose species, we lose those functions, and eventually it's us that are affected. So really, by going out and discovering these new species and really using that information to better manage the ocean, we are in fact looking after our own futures.